Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you my secret to getting the perfect curled lashes. Alright, so you guys, I've already done a review on this product. This is the heated electric lash curler I got off Amazon. So if you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and watch it. You can watch it after this video or before it, doesn't really matter. But this is the heated lash curler I got off Amazon, did a review, and now this is the video where I talk about how I get my perfect lash curling va-va-voom. Yes, just that lift that I need when it comes to stick straight Asian lashes. Now, obviously I can't do it on my lashes now because I have it all done and makeup on, but I will tell you what I did to create these beautiful lashes. Alright, first of all, my lashes are short, they're straight, they're stubborn. They're stubborn, you guys. I mean, the moment I curl them, do they stay up like that? I mean, they'll hang up there for a little bit, but then after like not even that long, they go back down. They're like, we're going down. Lift it up, going down. So I found a way to keep them up there until the end of the night. So what I do first is I grab my perfect lash curler. This is the Shiseido lash curler. A long time ago, I did do a review on it, like a really long time ago. The thing is, the Shiseido lash curler, the curvature on it is quite different compared to other lash curlers I have in the past. This one isn't as curved, where the other ones are more of like an extreme C-shaped curve to it. So I think that makes a huge difference. On top of that, when I use it, it doesn't pinch my skin. It doesn't like grab my lids or any skin part around my lashes. So that's really excellent. So on bare naked lashes, I take this and I curl my lashes. Give that nice little curve, you know? A little head start to curling my lashes. After I do that, my next step is grabbing my favorite mascara. Currently, my favorite mascara is the Thrive Cosmetics. I freaking love this, alright? It's amazing, you guys. So, this is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension, alright? And so, after I curl my lashes with the Shiseido Lash Curler, I take this and I go in and, you know, basically coat my lashes. Coat. But I coat it one at a time. So, I coat one lash and I'll put it away, and then I'll grab my heated lash curler and turn this on 8 seconds to heat up. And while my mascara is still wet and setting, I take this and I go ahead and push up my lashes when my mascara is still wet. And this, what it does is basically it helps set the mascara in a certain position, and it holds my lashes in that position, right? That's what it does. So, put the mascara on, make sure it's not set all the way, and then take this and curl it, heat it, do the magic, do the work, alright? And let it set. Repeat again on the other eye. Mascara, take your heated lash curler, and while it's still wet, go ahead and heat it up, alright? And you're helping it set in that certain position. That's what you want to do, you guys. So it's pretty simple. That is my secret to getting that nice lengthened va-va-voom, just sky high lashes, especially when you have stubborn lashes like I do. So that is pretty much it, you guys. This is probably one of my shortest videos, but if you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're feeling nice, hit the like button. If you want to be part of the Kwak fam, subscribe, hit on that bell, that way you won't miss out on any other content. And if you want to, you can follow me on my social media platform. I mean, I do post other videos and other content up there, not just beauty related. So it's like a deeper dive into what Sarah does in her life, right? So if you're curious what I do, follow me on IG, Twitter, mostly IG, TikTok. Anyways, yeah, type in at Kwakamole21. You'll find me. That's it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
So lonely.